As you guys can see, RBS has won this particular giveaway. So right now here we have Shark, and what he wants from the item shop as the winner, he gets to choose whatever he would like, and he said he wanted Ariana. So obviously he's gonna get the bundle, not just the skin. So we're gonna tap on Ariana. We're gonna go ahead and buy his gift. We're gonna look for his name up here. So it should say RBS. I'm just gonna type that in. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find his name fast. There we go. And I can click on his name. I can go ahead and purchase gift. Sending the gift. Hopefully no errors, nothing like that. And gift has been sent. So right now RBS, you should have got it. If you didn't get it, it's okay. Right now what you have to do is just turn off Fortnite, then open it back on. And that's it. So just quit the app, put it back on, and you should be able to see your gift. Then come back into my lobby so it can see you that you got your gift. So right now I'm going to go back. I'm going to confirm that you actually got it. So yeah, it says RBS already owns this offer. And that's because I just gifted it to you right this second. So congrats again, Shark. So we're just going to go back. So Shark has been disconnected. All right. So we're just going to wait for Shark to get back in. Already joined request. Perfect. So Shark is just getting back right now. Now he should be wearing Ariana by now because he should have got it as he restarted his Fortnite. So there we go. Now you're wearing Ariana. You got the whole bundle. Awesome. Awesome. So that's the other style they got. Cool. Yeah, both styles are really good. So once again, if you would like a chance to win, you just have to follow those 3 simple steps.